In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to turn a piece of text into a clickable link that takes you straight to another page in the same file. This is perfect for documentation, quick navigation, or giving teammates a guided path through your work. Start by opening Figma and loading the file you want to work in. Make sure the Pages panel is visible on the left. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see all your pages. It helps to have at least 2 pages in the file so you can link from one to another. On your canvas, add the text that will become your link. Press the T key to activate the text tool, click on the canvas, and type something clear like, "Go to page 2." Keep the text selected. In the top toolbar, look for the link field or use the shortcut. Command-K on Mac or Control-K on Windows. This opens the link input for the selected text so you can attach a destination. Now, grab the link for the page you want to point to. In the left panel, find the destination page, such as page 2. Right-click the page name and choose Copy Link. This copies a direct URL to that specific page in your file. If you use Pages for organizing large projects, this is a reliable way to help teammates jump exactly where they need to go. Go back to your text on the canvas. With the link input active, paste the page link you copied, then press Enter. You should see the text recognized as a hyperlink. You can still style it like any other text, change the font, size, or color. Just make sure it remains readable and looks like something users expect to click. Test the link to confirm it works. First, exit text editing by pressing Escape or clicking off the text. Then, hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and click the text. Figma will open the link, and you should land on the destination page. That's exactly how viewers will experience it when they follow the link from your file. A quick tip on sharing. If you're sending this file to others, ensure your sharing permissions allow them to view the destination page. Without access, they'll be prompted to request it. Also, keep your link labels descriptive so it's obvious where each link goes. That's it. You've created a clean, clickable text link that navigates to another page in Figma, making your files easier to explore and your documentation much clearer.